The country's opening up again, folks. We are gonna be back at it just like normal. So, one thing I've been missing the most over these last couple months is baseball. And here we are, it's June, and we would be in the middle of a season, but we haven't even started yet. But the country's opening back up. First thing I want to do is get down to the ball yard. Gonna bring this down, I'm sure, I don't know what it's going to be like down there, but how many other people will be there with us. But my buddy's coming over. We're going to go on down. We're going to check it out. We are lifelong Cardinal fans. I'm a little bit more enthusiastic about this trip, but we're going to head on down there, see if we can get some honks, spread some, tell them about Podley, talk about Podley. And yeah, so why don't you enjoy our trip? It's a beautiful day, huh? You ready to go down to the old Abner's ball yard? Yeah, beautiful day. Sun is bright. Great day for baseball, huh? Really looking forward to it. We're going to abide by the social distancing rules here because, safety first. Odds are pretty good we'll see a World Series again. Someday. Getting the ballpark open. That's the damn it. Sorry. I didn't put my seatbelt on. I'm doing all the other safety things. The old brickyard. Bleacher bums. What's up, buddies? Give a honk. Tailgate. Most of the time in the summer, you'll see that in this area. Parking lot's a little empty, but I guess that means we just got here early. Beat the crowds, What's up, bud? So, get a good catch in. Maybe kill some time and just soak in the baseball vibes. Five. On the home. Look at that Amtrak train. Baseball's back, baby. Give me a honk. Baseball's back. Baseball. Give me a honk. They're going awful slow. That's dirty as hell. God. They just came from a mine shaft. Baseball's back, baby. Tommy Hurt, 2-8. Second baseman, St. Louis Cardinals, 82 to 88. Always doing good. Always hit 100 RBIs, less than 10 home runs. That's how productive that squad was. Tommy's turning 2. Ozzy gets it, flips it, turns. Watch out for the glass. Watch out for the glass. Oh, don't go to store. Tommy Hurt, backhand. Toss it to the Wizard. Turning 2. I don't know. Doesn't look good. Maybe it's lunch. Gotta do it online. Gotta do it online. One of the, maybe this'll. Well, maybe that map, there's a north gate, and maybe there's tickets over there if we just walk over there.
Can we go home?
Well, it's not that long a walk, just to check.
There's no fucking games this year, idiot.
Alright, so obviously we couldn't get the tickets, but we're here. We're going to spread some cheer anyway. Because these signs really do it. You know, you're driving down the road, you see that sign, you just want to honk in solidarity with your Cardinal fan. You know, let's be over here. Here we go. Here we go. We got a car. 3 o'clock. Not as busy as it normally is. There's a lot less Cardinal fans, but you know, we're still gonna get the message out.